Within today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the steps towards creating a business model. And for any company, this really involves how you can actually see value or define or capture value within your own company. Where completing this exercise will allow you to see how you can generate revenue and reach profitability for your business. And this is normally one of the first steps for any business within their startup phase, as it will give you a clear overview of how your company operates as well. As you can see from the following diagram, there are three main areas of focus in a business model, known as your value proposition, value delivery, and value capture. So the proposition will outline who your customers are and what you will offer. In terms of value delivery then, these are the details on how you will organise the business to deliver on your proposition. And then finally, in terms of value capture, this will involve how the proposition and delivery will align to return value back to your business. So let's take a look at the steps that you will need to take when designing a framework like this that is going to give you an outcome of how you will create, deliver, and capture value for your business. So the first step you will want to consider when developing a business model is to define your value proposition. And within this step, you want to be thinking about how you can offer unique value to your customers. So, what is the problem you're trying to solve here with your business? And what exactly is it that your customers need in terms of how your product or your service can benefit them? And your value proposition should really differentiate you from your competitors. We're striving to gain an edge over competitors. It's going to really come down to how you do things differently, how they deem more value over your service or products. You will also want to identify your target market, where you want a clear understanding of who your key customers are. And you will do this through analysing and understanding their demographics, their behaviours, their pain points, and how they prefer their products and services in and around the likes of your business and industry. In doing this research and understanding your customers' key problems, you will then be able to tailor your products and services to them. In understanding your customers' key problems or areas of frustrations, you will be able to tailor your products and services to them, making sure that they're always coming back and buying from your business. You will now want to determine revenue streams. Like any business today, our main aim is to generate a profitability. So within this, you want to be thinking about your pricing strategy. Are you going to match your competitors? Are you going to charge lower prices than others? And how will your customers see your price in terms of what different revenue streams you can explore and what opportunities exist within this category? Next, you want to outline key activities. By identifying the core activities your business needs to perform to deliver its value proposition, you will have a clear understanding of how your business operates in terms of your manufacturing, your research and development, and your marketing and sales. Each of these areas will work in collaboration with each other to generate a profit for your business. Next, you will want to establish key resources. So you need to think here, what type of resources do you require to operate effectively? In terms of the likes of equipment, property, or technology. You will want to see how you can utilise these key resources within your business for as least cost as possible, whether they are owned by yourself, leased, or subscription based as well. There are a range of different means that you can go about this. The next step is very important, and this is designing the customer experience, where you will want to map out your customer's journey in terms of how they will begin by interacting with your business to the very end of your service. And from here, you will want to analyse and identify the touch points in terms of any pain points within your business, and identify how you will attract customers and deliver your products or services effectively. The next point is assessing the cost structure. So you really want to understand the money going in and out of your business on a daily basis. And what are the costs associated with running your business? Understanding this area will allow you to analyse the profitability potential within your business and seek out ways in which you can optimise and grow your business through the revenue that you are generating. And then the final step is in terms of evaluating your channels of distribution, where you will want to determine how products or services will actually reach your customers. There are many different ways to go about this, but it really comes down to you and who you are as a business. Maybe you're online and you can reach your customers through e-commerce platforms, or you have a store with a range of retail partnerships. You will want to consider the most efficient and effective ways to distribute your products and services to your target market. So that provides you with a list of the different steps that you might want to follow when creating a business model. I think it's also important to mention that at Profile Tree, we are providing guidance and support in around applying these types of tools to your business through a digital transformation today. So if you are thinking about implementing new technology into improving the operations or efficiency of your business, or trying to deliver value to your customers, make sure and reach out to us today and we would be more than happy to help. You can find both the business email and my email on screen now. I also want to share with you a business model canvas, which could be a good starting point while going through this process. Where, as you can see, this is a detailed layout of the key areas you will want to fill in while creating your business model. And quite briefly running through this, the key partners are the people or the organisations that take some responsibility off your shoulders when it comes to running your business. Your key activities are the processes and tasks that must be completed in order for your customers to be served. Your key resources are anything from your people, your places, your machines, your patents, and your intangible assets that are used on a daily basis. In your value propositions box, we describe what the customer is really looking for and how we can deliver that value for them. The customer relationships box outlines how your interactions with your stakeholders will unfold. And then the challenge box is basically how we contact or get in touch with our customers. And then finally, along the bottom line of the canvas represents the money in and the money out of our business, where we will hopefully be able to see our profitability measures and how we can create new ways and opportunities to continue to grow our business and generate a profit. So that's a brief overview of a business model canvas and how you could apply that framework to your business to clearly identify how you can deliver and execute value for your customers. And before I close up, I want to encourage you to check out Profile Tree's YouTube channel, where there are a range of different videos of business strategy tools like this, or how you could implement a digital transformation within your own business environment that I feel could be worthwhile for any business going through their future growth journey. However, as I mentioned before, if you do need any guidance and support in around implementing new technology to your business, make sure and reach out to Profile Tree today and we would be more than happy to support you through this. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.